How to fix Cash App, the recipient's account is unable to accept payments. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App, the recipient's account is unable to accept payments. Open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are options you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling until you come here. From the options that appear here, look for one named Security and Privacy. Here it is, tap on it. Make sure you show this video to the person you are sending the money and ask them to come to this page. After that, scroll down a little bit and look for an option named Incoming Requests. There is a toggle button here. Make sure you enable this toggle button here as it allows them to receive payments. Also, ask them to allow all so that they can receive money from anyone regardless of them being in their contact list. If after doing that nothing changes, then you have to report the issue. To do that, come back to the main profile section. From there, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap here, Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Next, this other page appears where there are options that you can use to find help. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Payments. After that, you will see more options related to the payments one. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Sending Payments. You will then land on this other page where you will see steps that guide you on how to send payments. So, make sure you try them too. But our aim is not that because it failed. Come to the bottom of the screen and then tap this option here named Chat. It is found under the Contact Us section. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App feedback section. Here, you are supposed to type a short message explaining to them the issue you were facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly just like I'm doing here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Hi, I am unable to send money, and I keep getting an error where the recipient's account is unable to receive payments. Kindly help solve this issue for me. Thanks. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments.